How to change name on Gcash on a not verified account. Now, just a set of reminder, any personal transaction or any transaction that requires personal identification, you cannot manually do that. You really need to submit a ticket or submit a request. Now, in this case, we'll have to submit a ticket, a request, for us to be able to change our Gcash name. So let's pull up on our Gcash app, enter your 4-digit PIN. Now you have to go to your profile on the lower right of your phone and then click on your current name. Now, as you can see, to keep your account information updated, to edit your name and birthday, click this link. Now, let's try to click on this link. Now, on this page, you'll be able to see necessary requirements on what are the cons and pros and how you can change your name. Change of surname due to change in civil status, minor misspelling, legally change their name. So you have to submit a request with our Gcash customer support for you to be able to change your Gcash name. So that's how you can submit a request or change your Gcash name on a not verified account.